Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I was actually dying to say these lines. I missed filming like anything. I know I've been MIA for probably weeks together, but that's because I was shifting to my new house and packing, unpacking and stuff like that took up most of my time. So I wanted to take my own sweet time to set up my house and then sit down to film, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I could not control myself any longer, could not keep myself away from the camera anymore.
Talking about today's video, this makeup look is actually inspired by Shay Mitchell's bronzy makeup look. I'm going to insert a picture over here just to show you which makeup look I'm actually talking about. So ever since I saw it, I wanted to recreate this bronzy glowy makeup on my face.
I tried out this look like 3 times, and the first time I was just trying it out, just to see if I could actually get this look right, and the second time I did record it but I did not like the footage, so I ended up deleting it. Now the third time is a charm because I really do like how this makeup has turned out, and yeah, you're looking right at it. Oh, and also I've used all affordable products which are easily available on either Nykaa or Amazon. You can get it on either of these. I'll be mentioning all the products used in this tutorial in the description box below, so you can check it out. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll be coming up with more such videos, and I really promise to stay regular. Now that I've shifted to my house, I do not have any other distraction, so I'll be filming more often. So yes, please do subscribe to my channel. And yes, without much blabbering, if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching.
So let's begin. So I've already washed my face and now I'm going to apply a moisturizer, and for moisturizer I'm taking Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel, and I'm going to dot it all over my face, and I'm going to take it down to my neck as well, and I'm going to massage it gently. Next I'm taking Wet n Wild lip balm to moisturize my lips. Now I'm taking my Maybelline New York Master Prime by Face Studio Primer, and I'm not gonna apply it to my entire face but just to my problem areas, that is my T-zone and also on my eyelids, because I'm going in for a very heavy eye makeup look today. For my base today, I'm going to take these two foundations. One is 330 Toffee, which is very dark for me, and the other one is 310 Sun Beige, which is very light for me. So I'm going to mix these two foundations to match my skin shade, and I'm going to dot it all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it all in using my beauty sponge. Next, I'm going to take Fit Me Concealer in the shade Deep, which is my skin shade. Almost my skin shade, not exactly my skin shade. Okay, I should stop now. Mainly to conceal my dark circles and a little bit of darkness around my nose and around my mouth and the acne scars, just to give a smooth base. And I'm going to blend it all in using my beauty sponge. Now I'm going to take my Fit Me Concealer in the shade Honey, which is a little lighter than my skin shade. I'm going to use it to brighten my under eye area and on my eyelids, on the bridge of my nose, around my mouth and on my chin and in between my eyebrows. And I'm again using my beauty sponge to blend it all in. I'm taking my Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Medium, and I'm going to take my beauty sponge, and I'm not going to set my entire face but only my under eye area and around my mouth and my forehead, because those are the areas which creases the most. For my eye makeup today, I'm going to take Sephora Glacial Glow eyeshadow palette, which my best friend Patul gifted to me. This is how it looks. It's just gorgeous, plain gorgeous. Thank you so much, Patul, for this. So first up, I'm going to pick this shade from the palette and I'm going to place it right above my crease as my transition shade. Then I'm going to pick this shade from the palette, which is a little darker from the shade which I picked before, and I'm going to place it in my crease. Now I'm going to pick up this color from the palette, tap off the excess, and I'm going to place it in my crease to build up the intensity of the brown shade. Again, going to pick up this medium brown color with my fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to pack this color on my eyelid. Now I'm going to take this beautiful brown shimmer shade. I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand for you. Just look at it, how beautiful. So I'm going to take this flat shader brush and I'm going to wet it with my makeup setting spray a little bit, and I'm going to pick up the color and apply it on my eyelids. Now I'm going to pick this shade from the palette and I'm going to apply it in the center of my eyelids just to make my eye look a little more bronzy. I'm again taking the medium brown shade, and with the help of a small blending brush, I'm applying it to my lower lash line and smoking it out. I'm again taking the dark brown shade, and with the help of the same blending brush, I'm applying it to the lower lash line, to the outer V of my eye, and I'm taking the same color into my crease just to darken my crease a bit more. Then I'm going to take a clean blending brush and I'm going to blend out all the edges so that there are no harsh lines visible. Now I'm taking my Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. First I'm going to outline the eyebrow and then fill it in, and then I'm going to comb it all in, making sure that the color is evenly spread. Now I'm taking this shade from the palette, which is like a nice highlight shade, and I'm going to place it on my brow bone. For eyeliner, I'm taking my favorite Lakme Insta liner, and I'm not going for any dramatic wing or anything. I'm just going to draw a simple outline. Mascara, I'm taking my favorite Maybelline New York Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara, and I'm going to apply it generously to my lower lashes and to my upper lashes. This is just so awesome. You have to get it. Just give it a try, guys. I'm using false lashes today, and I'm taking Just Enough Drama Max Volume Plus Intense Lashes by Nykaa, and I'm going to pop them on. Then I'm going to line the band of the eyelashes with the eyeliner and apply some mascara so that my natural lashes don't stick out and look seamless. Now taking my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, I'm going to contour my face, and I'm using my beauty sponge to do that. I'm gonna contour my cheekbones and my nose, and I'm also going to apply the contour powder on the top of my forehead and along my jawline. I've not shown the contouring of my jawline over here, but I have contoured my jawline as well. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine, and I'm going to apply it to the apples of my cheeks, a little bit on the tip of my nose and on my chin. Using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray, I'm going to set my makeup. Now I'm going to take this bronzer shade from the palette. Look how beautiful it is, and I'm going to bring some more color to my face. I'm going to bronze my face, and I'm going to apply it along my cheekbones and on my forehead and a little bit on my nose. Now it's time for my favorite step, that is highlighter, and I'm taking the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I'm going to apply it to all the high points of my face, that is my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, chin, my forehead, my brow bone, and to my cupid's bow. Now using Nykaa Lips Don't Lie in the shade Pillow Fight, I'm going to line my lips. For my lip shape today, I'm going to take Nykaa So Matte Mini Lipstick in the shade Taupe Thrill, that is 12M. I'm taking this highlight shade from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes.
So with that, we have come to the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed the video and liked how the look turned out. Well, this is the best that I could do. Of course, there is a scope of improvement always, and I'm still learning. I really like the look. How about you? If you do like the look, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, please let me know how did you like it in the comment section down below, and share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye.